Hello, my princess and my queens and my king. I want to say a very big thank you for your massive support towards this channel. I appreciate everyone that's watched this video and leave their comment below. Even those that watch this video and does watch my videos and don't leave their comments. I appreciate all of you, my subscribers, my YT friends and family on YT High Street. I greet you all. I salute you all. I say you all are the best. Thank you, all of you who has been sharing my video out to your communities. Guys, watch this video carefully to the end. Don't skip any bit of this video. Very interesting, it's catching. You know, this gist is hot. This video is interesting. You will learn from this video when you watch it and leave your comment. If you know you have not subscribed to this amazing channel, kia kia, maza maza, they run quick. Go and subscribe. There's a red button that says subscribe. It's free. You don't pay no money. It's just free. All you need is your thumbnail, your thumb here, yeah, and poke that red bell. After that, for you to be the #1 to be watching all the latest upload of my videos, you need to put on your bell, the one that says notification bell. Poke it with one hand, yeah. Poke that notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. How is that? So guys, watch this video and I will leave you guys here and stay blessed. And I say I love you and thank you for watching. Bye. Take care, guys. I'm showing you guys what I bought from Sport Direct. Unboxing some of my shopping. Because of the way my leg is. My leg, don't laugh. My leg is like a duck leg, yeah? So it's not flat under. So I got to wear, you know, a shoe with memory foam. Like, if I can't wear any cheap shoe, it must be like good quality shoes, sandals, trainers, you know. And I like Skechers go walk or Skechers go run, or, you know, with memory foam, or Adidas, Nike, name it. Yeah. So I just got this delivered. Yeah. This is comfy. See, got memory foam. The way you are walking, it's just bouncing and bouncing, you know. I just bought it. They're expensive. They're not cheap. This one was on sale for 60 quid. Yeah, 60 pounds. Yeah. Then I bought another one. Skechers Go Run. That is my Skechers Go Run with memory foam. All my trainers are with memory foam, bouncing, you know. I can't just wear any cheap trainer. It will be like there's a razor under my leg, you know. My feet are very expensive to to maintain. This one is for Alan. I bought this for Alan for his birthday. His birthday just gone past a couple of days ago. So this one is for Alan. Yeah, Puma. That's for Alan. That's Alan's trainer. You know, we normally buy gifts for each other, you know. So this is the one I bought for him. Yeah, I bought this for Alan for his birthday. He was surprised. And he appreciated it as well, you know. Not only man buy for woman. Sometimes too, you know, you treat each other, you know. That is how I work. Here is a tights, Roebuck tights. Yeah, this is the tights. Very nice tights, very comfy. Tight is very handy to wear, so I like tights. You know, especially in this summertime, I wear tights. So that is the tight. One is tight. This is a sport bra, padded sport bra. You know, this is padded sport bra by Roebuck. So I'm gonna be wearing it. It matches with that one. It goes with this one, the same color. So I'm gonna be wearing that. So that is Kangol. Is it Kangol? Kangol, that is a top. Yeah, this one is a top. It's a matching. This one is a top. Yeah, it's a top. I like looking sporty. I like sporty wears, you know. So that is the top, and that is the tights to go with. It's matching. You see? Idioma wey no one gree old. Iye wey no one gree old. I don't want to old though. No, sabio. It's my life, man. So that is the tights to go with it, guys. You see? There's no time to wear it to show it to you guys, but the day I will wear it, I might video it to show you guys. I like to look sporty some days. You just dress sporty. Depends on the day. Depends on where I'm going, you know. Determine how I dress, what I put on, you know. So that is it then. Did I show you this bra? This one is another bra. This is beautiful. That is the back of the bra. That is the back of the bra. Yeah, that design is there. That design is there. That logo. I like this bra. This one is this one was on sale for £11, from £22 to £11. So I grab it. It's a sport bra. You know, that is their logo, Reebok as well. That is the bra. You know, sport bra is comfy. That one goes in there. Then this one is a tights by Koromo. Is it Koromo? Karimo or whatever they call it. This is another tights, yeah. That is their logo there. You know. That is it tight. That is all I said. Let me show you guys that I bought today. Those are all I bought today, guys. That's for Alan trainer. Yeah. See the down. Another Skechers that I bought. Yeah. Look at it. Skechers Go Walk 2. They don't do 2 no more now. I think I'm lucky to have got this one. Yeah. Skechers Go Walk 2. That is the color. You know, that's another sporty trainer that I love. So most times I buy this for my inner shoe to support my feet. Yeah, I have them so many and they're very expensive. So my like £30. So when I wear my trainer or any shoe, I fix it inside. It goes in there, you know, to make it more jelly, you know. That is the shoe. That is the trainer. Sometimes you treat. That's the Reebok sports padded bra, you know.